Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is going to be choosing your centers for your paper flowers, and I wanted to experiment with you. So we're going to make some of those lovely flowers that Angela makes, who is Love Pink Dragonflies here on YouTube. And so I'm starting off with the Bloom cardstock, and I've had this over a year already, so it's time to start using it. And I went with the blue and the yellow. I wish I would have went with pink and blue. And so we're gonna start off with the foam glittered balls that you can find at Hobby Lobby in the party section. This is a Tim Holtz die that you're able to use. I did use a silhouette cut file for the flowers that I'm currently making, but I just wanted to show you an alternative if you do not have an electric cutting die. So here we are. I'm using some felt to make the flowers round and give them some shape. And I'm also using this stylus ball from BB Craft. I will link everything below. If you can find something that is puffier than the felt, softer, maybe a pillow, use that. You're gonna see me use my hands and the palm of my hands, and do not do that. I recommend you do not do that. It'll start to hurt. And so my hands started to hurt after this video, and so lesson learned. And so let's go ahead and start off with the glittered foam rounds. They are the party balls that you can find at Hobby Lobby. And I pull out this cutting mat that I picked up from Dollar Tree, which is very useful. It's so miniature, and yeah, I recommend getting it if you can find it. And so yeah, so go ahead and cut those foam balls in half with an X-Acto knife or some scissors if you'd like, whatever you have on hand. I'm using glue here. I bought this glue gun at Walmart. It's a pretty good glue gun. I like it, and I like my first one better though. I have a glue gun from Hobby Lobby, which I love, but you know, during the pandemic, everything was closed, and so Walmart was the only thing open, so I had to go and pick up this one, but it worked out. And so just glue everything together and just add your foam ball to the center, and that is it right there. And yeah, I love how the foam balls look. And so let's try another. So here I am, I'm just shaping the flower. As we go on, you can see that I start shaping the flower with my hands. And don't do this, you guys. Do not do this. Your palm will start to hurt. And so yeah, you can also use your hands, but I'm really just experimenting here with the centers. I wanted to see which one I like best and see them all together. And so I really love the foam ball, and another that I will go over with you later. But yeah, go ahead and let me know which one you guys like the best. I'm very curious. So I'm just doing another flower, same old thing, add glue. And I like the glue because it dries fast and I'm able to work immediately. I kind of like everything done quick. And so yeah. Oh my goodness, where is my head? I forgot to mention, this is a collaboration with EVELYN CREATIVA and also Creative Mommy. They are the host for this collaboration. And here I'm showing you some dulce flowers that I made with the Frank Garcia paper. And so I'm going to include that in the giveaway as well. And so yeah, so go ahead and check out the collaboration. It is with 18 other women. I'm going to start off the glitter now. So we're going to experiment with glitter. And this glitter I picked up at Michael's. And so yeah, go ahead and check out the description below. This is a giveaway. We've been doing this collaboration since February, and this is the last video, you guys. So be sure to go to my playlist and look at all those videos, and please be a subscriber, like, and comment, enter me to be entered in the giveaway. And after this video, I will go over what is in the giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the flat back gems, and these are from Hobby Lobby, and you can pick them up there. These ones are the smaller ones. I do use another one. This one is more like the acrylic with specks of glitter in it, and the other that I do use is completely glittered. And so here it is, the glittered adhesive gems. These ones I do love. These are my second best ones versus the foam. So same deal, you guys. Use glue, add it to the back, and be sure that the adhesive is adhered to that gem when you add glue. Otherwise, it'll pop off. So now we're going to do sequence. Same deal as well. And so yeah, back to the collaboration. Be sure to watch all the videos, like, comment, and subscribe. And good luck, you guys. This collaboration is over. I'd like to thank EVELYN, and I like to thank EVELYN CREATIVA and Creative Mommy for hosting. And thank you so much for reaching out to me and letting me know you guys were collaborating. So thank you so much. And back to the video, you guys. So oh, we're going to start off with seed beads now. And I also want to apologize because I am a day late. This video was supposed to be posted yesterday, and I apologize for that. I had a heck of a weekend and just trying to catch up on everything. And so here are the seed beads. I kind of like the seed beads also. I just think that with a different type of paper, it would look better. So I don't know, I should have went with the pink. I knew the pink and the blue would have went best, but a lot of people like yellow as well. So now we're going to start with confetti. This confetti I picked up at, I believe it was Michael's. I have to say Michael's. Yes, it was Michael's. And so this confetti, same thing, just use glue. And here you see me rounding the flowers. If you want like a cup flower, I would suggest doing that as well. But here's all the flowers, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck again. And I'd like to hear which one you like best. Mine is the foam ball. So have a great one. I will see you in the next video. Bye.